Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes. You all have attended your test yesterday. You have done pretty well, I can say. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So as you all know, next Monday also we are having a test. So you all are aware about your date sheet, about everything. So can you tell me which subject test you are having on next Monday? Maths, yes. So now let's begin with our today's maths class. So class, today is 20th October 2020 and the day is Tuesday. So what we are going to begin now. Today I'm going to teach you a new shape, that is square. How to draw a square. What are the different objects that are square in shape? This is what we are going to study in our today's maths class. So till now I have taught you about your circle shape, how you can draw a circle shape using any circular object, how you can trace it. Then I have taught you triangle, how to draw a triangle, how you can measure the squares in your notebook to draw a triangle without any help, isn't it? So today we are going to learn about square. The very easy and the foremost example of square is your maths notebook itself, isn't it? So when you open your maths notebook, you will find the pages, they are having square pattern. आपकी जो maths notebook है, उसपे square pattern बने हुए हैं like this. So just think this is the page of your notebook, isn't it? And उसपे क्या बना हुआ है? What is there on that page? You have squares like this, isn't it? उसमें इस तरह से square है. So what these are? They are square shape. So your maths notebook, each page is having square pattern, isn't it? So what similarity can you find there? जब आप आपकी मैथ्स की नोटबुक को ओपन करिए एंड टेल मी, वो जो उसकी लाइंस हैं जो स्क्वायर बनाती हैं, आपको उसमें कुछ सिमिलर लगता है? कैन यू फाइंड समथिंग सिमिलर देयर? जस्ट सी एंड टेल मी. यस, द सिमिलैरिटी इज द साइड्स. कैन यू सी द स्क्वायर शेप? The sides of square. First tell me how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So square की कितनी sides है? How many sides are there? 4 sides. Now the main important point to remember here is square is the shape having 4 sides and all these 4 sides are equal. ये जो 4 लाइंस बनी है, जो हमारी 4 साइड्स हैं स्क्वायर की, ये क्या होती हैं? इक्वल होती हैं. इनको हम बड़ा छोटा नहीं कर सकते. क्लियर? स्क्वायर उसी को बोला जाता है जिसकी ऑल द 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल. नाउ इफ यू ऑल लव टू ईट बिस्किट्स, you might have eaten crackjack biscuit anytime. Crackjack, or you can say 50-50 also. So that particular biscuit is square in shape. If you have ever seen it, crackjack biscuit or 50-50 जो मैरी 50-50 biscuit आते हैं, Britannia 50-50 sorry, that these two biscuits they are square in shape. Clear? So how can we find a shape is square when all the 4 sides are equal? ठीक है? अब देखो 4 साइड तो इस बोर्ड की भी है, but these are not equal. इसके साइड्स इक्वल नहीं है. 4 साइड्स तो आपके टेबल की भी है, आपकी बुक की भी है, नोटबुक की भी है, बट यू कैन नॉट कॉल देम स्क्वायर. व्हाई? बिकॉज जो उनकी साइड्स हैं वो इक्वल नहीं है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस बोर्ड, नीचे वाली जो ये साइड है ये ज्यादा बिग है इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस साइड. जो ये स्टैंडिंग वाली साइड है ये स्मॉल है. दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट इक्वल. स्क्वायर कौन सा होता है? जिसकी 4 साइड्स इक्वल होती है, किसी में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं. Clear? Now few more example is, you all love playing carrom board. Do you? So you all might be having a carrom board at home. So when you see a carrom board, this carrom board is also square in shape. Have you ever seen a carrom board? ये इसकी 4 wells होती है जहाँ पे हम coins को tiger से डालते हैं, isn't it? So and these are 4 lines where we put our tiger, isn't it? So what we call it? Which game is this? It's a carom board. Now when you will look at your carom board, you will find that carom board is square in shape. Clear? Now one more indoor game if I talk about, you all might have played Ludo or Snakes and Ladder once. जब आप Ludo और Snakes and Ladder की जो columns होते हैं, जो boxes होते हैं, आप उनको देखोगे, they are also square in shape. जिसमें हम 1 by 1 Ludo में आप एक box को count करके you move ahead, and in Snakes and Ladder you might have seen counting is written from 1 to 100. So that 1 to 100 is also written in square boxes. Clear? Now one more game if I talk, this is called chess. Which game is this? Chess. So I'll first write carom board. Okay, this is carom. Now this is chess. Now chess is a game, आपने देखा होगा, we have one in the school sports room also. आपने देखा होगा एक बोर्ड होता है which is having black white squares. See, अब ये जो आपने कलर किया है, this is white black. इस तरह से squares बने हुए होते हैं उसमें, isn't it? So that game is called chess. So वो जो chess board है, that is also square in shape. Then I told you we have biscuits. इस तरह से उनपे छोटे-छोटे holes बने होते हैं. So we have biscuit, square in shape. Then we have hankies. If you have ever seen handkerchief, you use your handkerchief. So most of the handkerchiefs are square in shape. If you will take a towel handkerchief or one which we keep in our pocket. I'm not talking about hand towels. The one you can keep in your pocket. They all are square in shape. Then we have a lot of you can see photo frames in which we keep our, although every photo frame is not square in shape, but yes, it is an example of square shape because we can find photo frames square in shape. Clear? So what you have to keep in your mind, what you have to memorize or you have to learn is, square is the shape whose 4 sides are equal. The shape having 4 sides. Square की कितनी sides है? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square is having 4 sides and all these 4 sides are equal. Clear? सब देखिए 4 sides बहुत सारी shapes की आएंगी, but the difference here is square is having these 4 sides equal. ये सारी sides कैसे होंगी? Equal होंगी. All the 4 sides will be equal. Clear? Understood that? Okay. Now let's see our work in book and notebook. That will make your topic more clear. So open the book on page number 21. So book page number. Now when you open this book page number, you will find some objects that are square in shape. And if you have ever seen dice, Ludo or Snakes and Ladder खेलने के लिए dice, we need a dice. That dice is also square in shape. Clear? So now let's open our book on page number 21. So this will be your classwork, and let's see different square shape objects in the book. Then later after the book work, I'll tell you how you can draw a square in your notebook. Okay? So class, now let's open our maths book and see how we are going to do our today's classwork. Clear? So you have to open your book on page number 21. So when you will open your maths book on page 21, you will find the topic square. So we have learnt about square today. We are going to do our work in book now. So first we are going to write today's date. What is that? 20th October 2020. So this is our today's date, and this book work is your classwork. So you will write CW here. Understood? Now what the question says, color the square to complete the objects. Now you have been given some objects here that are square in shape. So what do you have to do? We have to color them out. Is that clear? So for this what we are going to do? We are going to take our pencil colors. Yes. So these are our pencil colors. Now what we'll do, I'll open it and we'll start doing the coloring in these objects. So can you tell me which objects are these? We have cushion. Then what else we have? Handkerchief. Okay. Next we have is a photo frame and last we have is a biscuit. So let's take red color and start coloring our cushion. So like this you can do any other color of your choice if you want. So coloring is all your choice. You don't have to take those colors which ma'am is taking. So like this we'll do coloring using pencil colors. So can anyone tell me why we always use pencil colors in book? So if you are using your crayon colors or your oil pastels in your art file, you can see those colors they get stick on the other page, isn't it? So to avoid that in our book, we use pencil colors here and we use oil pastels in our art files. Now next we have is in handkerchiefs. So handkerchiefs are basically white and green border, but what we'll do a little bit yellow shade in it. So I'm just taking this yellow color and I'm giving a little shading of it. So like this we have colored our handkerchief now. Next we have is a photo frame. Yes. So what we'll do, I'll take this pink color and I'll color the photo frame now. So you can just color these pictures as light as you want. Don't press your pencil a lot. Light colors करेंगे and don't keep on doing at one place. And cover the whole white portion with the color. This is what these are few techniques of coloring. Okay. Now we have a biscuit. So biscuit is somewhat orangish brown in color. So I am taking this orange color and I'll give very light shade of it. Like this. So this is how we have colored all the square objects. And the square objects are cushion, then we have handkerchief, then we have photo frame, we have a biscuit. Now match the square with the same dots. So can you see there are 3 squares on each side and they are having some polka dots in it. They look like a dice, isn't it? जो हम dice से play करते हैं, those dice also have the numbers like this now. What we have to do, we have to count these dots and we have to match those squares with each other. They are having similar number of dots. Clear? So for this you can use your pencil colors again. For first I am taking this dark blue color. So we have 1, 2, 3 dots. Now let's search for 3 dots here. So this is 5, then yes, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 dots. So what we'll do, I'll match it like this. Done. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. So can you search where we have 4 dots? Here we have. So what we'll do, we'll change the color. Take any color and we'll match it like this. And last we have 5. So we'll take another color and we'll match 5 with 5. Understood how you have to do your classwork? Now open your notebook and see how we are going to do our today's homework. Clear all? Okay class, now we'll see after the book work, after your classwork, now it's time to see how we are going to do work in our notebook. So what you have to do, we are going to draw 2 objects of square shape in our notebook today. First we'll write today's date, that is 20th October 2020, and we'll write homework here. So you can write the name of the shape square. Now two objects that we can draw. One, it can be a carom board, and second we are going to draw a chess board. ठीक है? So both are indoor games and you like playing them. Now very simple to draw your square. आप ये देख रहे हो, ये नोटबुक भी आपकी स्क्वायर नोटबुक है. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर? एज आई टोल्ड यू, स्क्वायर इज द शेप हुज ऑल द फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल, है ना. अब हमें क्या करना है? काउंट 1 2 3 4, 4 स्क्वायर्स काउंट करिए एंड ड्रॉ अ स्लीपिंग लाइन लाइक दिस. डन. अब आपको क्या करना है? इस स्क्वायर को दोबारा 1 2 3 4 ऐसे नीचे काउंट करिए, 4 स्क्वायर्स एंड ड्रॉ अ लाइन लाइक दिस. नाउ 1 2 3 4 एंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ वन लाइन लाइक दिस और फिर इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. सो नाउ दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर वी हैव गॉट. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू, जस्ट इरेज दीज डॉट्स. दिस वॉज ओनली फॉर योर रेफरेंस, यू हैव टू इरेज देम. इनको ड्रॉ करके नहीं छोड़ना है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज वन स्क्वायर. लाइक दिस ओनली यू विल ड्रॉ अनदर स्क्वायर ऑल्सो. सो लाइक दिस वी हैव ड्रॉन 2 squares. If you want, you can use your scale also. Now how to draw a carom board? Carom board is having 4 wells in the corner, जहाँ पे हमारी coins जाके गिरते हैं. So these are the 4 wells we have drawn. Next, I'll just join these wells with one single line. All the wells we are going to join like this. And in the center, we have something like this, where we keep all our coins with queen. Isn't it? So this is our carom board and we'll write carom board. Carom board. This is one game. Now next we can write next which we are going to draw is chess. So if you have ever seen a chess board, you will find one square is white and one is black. One is white, one is black. So just take this pencil and we'll shade like this. So this is one, I'm doing black. So like this, we'll shade one box with pencil. One we'll leave white, another we'll again shade with black like this. Leave it white. अब जब आपने फर्स्ट लाइन में इसको ब्लैक किया था, इसको व्हाइट छोड़ेंगे, अब हम इसको ब्लैक करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ दिस वन. अब ऊपर वाली लाइन में ये व्हाइट था, तो दिस विल बी ब्लैक हियर. अगेन दिस वन विल बी ब्लैक. So it is like a pattern also. You have done patterns now. This is something similar to pattern we have on chessboard. So this is how you can draw a chessboard and you will write here chess. Understand the two objects that we have from square shape that look similar like square shape. So this is your today's homework. You have to draw. If you want to draw these two, you can draw these two. If you have some other thing, you have something else in your mind, you can draw that object. But that should be square in shape. So class, you have understood about square shape now, how you are going to do your today's classwork and homework. So all these things are clear to you. Repeatedly I am telling you once again, square is the shape having 4 sides and all these 4 sides are equal to each other. दोनों चारों ही साइड्स क्या होंगी? इक्वल होंगी. इसमें कोई भी साइड बिग या स्मॉल नहीं हो सकती. If any side is big or small, that means that is not a square shape. Clear? So very easy to remember. 4 sides है, अगर वो इक्वल है तो स्क्वायर है, नहीं इक्वल है तो दैट इज नॉट अ स्क्वायर. Understood? Finish your work and get ready for your today's next class. Bye.